Okay. Ready? No, no running on the table.
Why?
You need to jump off the table if you're going to run.
Mom, why did you give me these butterfly wings?
Because I thought you would like them.
Mama, do
Yeah.
you have another one?
Nope.
Why? Why did I get these wings? Not another toy?
Because I knew she would want them if you had them. So I got her own. Are you going to dance for me, Callie?
Hey, Mama, where did you get these butterfly wings?
At the dollar store.
The dolly store?
Mm-hmm.
Why did you get them at the dolly store?
'Cause that's where they were.
Where is the dolly store?
Oh, Bradley.
Let's go in a circle. We're going in a circle. Where's Callie going? Where's she going?
Don't ask me.
Don't ask me. She's going in your room.
Oh, is that where she's going?
Yes. I think Callie got it in your drawers.
You think so?
Yes.
Is that bad?
Yes.
What's she going to do in my drawers?
I think she's got to take your makeup out.
Oh, that would be bad.
I think she's got to do that when she gets in your room.
Oh, you found us!
Where did you found it?
Uh-oh, you okay? Help.
Come on, I'll get you up. Yeah. Are you okay, Callie Riley? Oh, I'll get you up.
Callie, Bradley, be careful.
I know. I got you. I got her up here.
All right, thank you.